Let us add this remark. Segment AB and BA are the same, so whether you name the segment by AB and BA, it is the same. But for vectors, it is not the same. Vector AB and BA are not the same, they have opposite sense. For vector AB, A is the origin and B is the extremity. For vector BA, B is the origin and A is the extremity. So you notice that the two vectors AB and BA have opposite sense. When two vectors have same direction, two vectors have same direction if they are parallel. So here AB and CD are parallel, then the two vectors AB and CD will have the same direction. Two vectors have different directions if they are not parallel. You notice that AB and CD are not parallel, then vectors AB and CD have different directions. Two vectors have same sense if they have the same orientation. You notice that AB and CD have same orientation, then they have the same sense. Two vectors have opposite sense if they don't have the same orientation. As you notice in the figure, the two vectors AB and CD have opposite sense since they have opposite orientation. Two vectors AB and CD have same magnitude if AB equals CD, if the length of AB equals to the length of CD. Let's take these examples. For example 1, two vectors AB and CD have same direction, they are parallel, have same sense, then since they have the same orientation, but they have different magnitudes. For example 2, AB and CD vectors have same direction, they are parallel, they have opposite orientation, then they will have the opposite sense, but they have the same magnitude. So in example 2, AB and CD vectors have same direction, they are parallel, they have opposite sense since they have opposite orientation, but they have the same magnitude. For example 3, the two vectors AB and CD have same magnitude, but they have different direction since they are not parallel.